everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful crochet fingerless gloves. It is really very nice, dear friends. I also love the color combination. Let me wear it for you. I am planning to wear these with this crochet cowl and also with this beanie. It will be very nice. You can also find the video tutorials regarding this crochet cowl, crochet neck warmer, and also you can find the video tutorial for this beanie again. And in this video I'm going to explain to you how I made these beautiful crochet fingerless gloves with granny squares step by step. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. For this project we need 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. Of course, if you want to make this round also in different color, then you are going to prepare 5 different colors. But here in my project I used 4 different colors. If you have this kind of scrap yarns, this fingerless gloves project is a very nice crochet project for using your remained yarns, your scrap yarns. These yarns are cotton yarn, dear friends, and I am using 3mm hook. Also, we need the scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need for this project. For one pair of gloves, we need 4 squares. For one part, we need 1 and 2 squares, and for the other, we need 2 more squares like this. As a total, we are going to crochet firstly 4 squares like this. Okay, let's start. And we are starting from the center. I am taking my yarn in my hand. First of all, we are starting by making magic ring. I am doing magic ring like this, keeping this, inserting my hook through the ring, pull through. I am keeping here like this, and upon this 1, 2, 3 chains I am making and inserting my hook in the ring and making a double crochet. One moment, like this. I am considering the first 3 chains as double crochet 1, and I made 1 more double crochet beside it. Now I have 2 double crochet around the ring. Yarn over, inserting again in the same ring, yarn over, pull through, and making double crochet, yarn over, making another double crochet. Okay, we made 2 more double crochets, and totally we have now 4 double crochet in the ring. 1, I am counting the 3 chains as 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this we will go on making double crochets. We are going to make totally 12 double crochet, dear friends. Yes, I made totally 12 double crochets around the ring. Now I will pull this tightly and I will make this center space disappear like this. Now I will close this round. For this reason I am inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains. It is a bit tight, one moment. Okay, like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. It is now a complete round. I am making 1 chain and I am cutting the yarn. Okay, our first round finished like this. Now we are going to make the second round. For this reason, I need this burgundy color. Of course, you are free to choose whatever color you like. I am inserting my hook through any space between any 2 double crochets. For example, I can insert my hook here between these 2 double crochets. I can insert my hook here or here. That's completely depends on you. I am not starting in the place that I finish because there is a knot here, and I don't want the knots come one upon another. In order to get a neatly square, for this reason I am inserting my hook through the space of any other place like this. There are 2 double crochet here. I inserted my hook and I am fixing the yarn. First of all, I am keeping this thread like this. In order to fix the thread, I am making like this, yarn over. This thread I made yarn over and making pull through like this. I can fix it better upon this, making 1, 2 and 3 chains, and in the same place I'm inserting my hook. One moment, let me open it better for you, and making a double crochet. I am considering the first 3 chains as double crochet 1, so here I made in this space 2 double crochet. Now I am making 1, 2 chains. I am keeping this yarn end in the back. Later on I am going to hide this, and there is another space here between this. I am inserting my hook through this space. Here you should be careful. I am making yarn over, pull through. Firstly, I am making pull through these 2 loops like this, and I am keeping these 2 loops on the hook. I am making yarn over. I am inserting my hook again in the same space. Here in the same space I am inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through. I am making pull through only 2 loops like this. There are 3 loops on the hook. Now I will make pull through these 3 loops all together in one time. For this reason I'm making yarn over and pull through. From now on we are going to go on like this. Only when starting we are making 3 chains and then 1 double crochet. Here when starting we are doing, but the following we are going on like this as I showed you. Once again I'm going to show. First of all, between each blocks we are always making 2 chains. I made 2 chains, yarn over. We are going to the following space. Always we are inserting through the following space, yarn over, pull through. What I am doing, I am not making full double crochet. I am making only 2 loops pull through, and I am keeping these 2 loops on the hook. Then we are making yarn over and we are inserting our hook through the same space, yarn over, pull through again, and these 2 loops I am making pull through. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. This time I will make these 3 loops in one time. For this reason I'm making yarn over and making pull through. It's so easy. Making 2 chains again, yarn over. Okay, there's another space here, this space. Inserting my hook in there, yarn over. Only 2 loops I'm making pull through. Keeping these 2 loops on the hook, making yarn over, inserting our hook again in the same space, yarn over, pull through. Only 2 loops I'm making pull through. Only these 2 loops. Now there are 3 loops on the hook, and I'm making yarn over, and I will make pull through these 3 loops in one time like this. And always between the blocks, I am calling each one as a block. Between each block I am making 2 chains, and I'm going on like this. Okay, in this way we are going on till the end. When we come to the end, we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, totally 12 blocks we are going to have. Okay, dear friends, let's make blocks as I informed you, by inserting your hook one by one in each following stitch. Let's come to the end, and when we count these blocks, there will be totally 12. Let's finish this round as I explained to you. I came to the end. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am making 2 chains. You know, we made 3 chains in the beginning. I'm inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch like this, making 1 chain. I am finished with this round. For this reason, I am cutting the yarn. We are now going to make the round 3. I am going to go on with the main color in the round 3, but if you want, you can go on with another color. I'm taking my yarn in my hand. Again, I'm inserting my hook through any space. I do not prefer to go on in the place that I start because of the knot. For this reason, any other place I'm inserting my hook. I'm keeping this yarn end in the back with my finger, pull through. In order to fix well, I'm making the yarn end like this, yarn over and yarn over again, pull through, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. I am going to make 2 more double crochet here. I am counting this as double crochet 1, inserting my hook again in the same space. This is double crochet 2, like this, and this is, one moment, this is double crochet 3, like, one moment, like this. After making this block, I am going to call this as a block. I am making 1 chain, going to the following space, inserting my hook through this space, and in this space making 3 more double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, and this is double crochet 3. I am making 1 chain again, going to the following space, inserting our hook through this space, and making 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Dear friends, after making 3 blocks like this, 1, 2, 3 blocks, we are making 2 chains. After each 3 blocks, we are going to make 2 chains, 1, 2, yarn over. Again, I am going to the following space, making 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1 chain again, going to the following space here, making 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, making 1 chain, going to the following space, making 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Look, dear friends, here we made 2 chains after making 1, 2, 3 blocks. I made 3 blocks. Each blocks I made 1 chain here, 1 chain here, but after making 3 blocks, here I made 2 chains. And then I made 1, 2, 3 blocks again, and between these blocks I made 1 chain. But since I made 1, 2, 3 blocks again, I am going to make once again 2 chains as I made here. 1, 2, I am going to the following space, making 3 blocks again, 1, 2, and 3, and making 1 chain. We are going on like this, dear friends. After making 2 chains here, I am going to make 3 more blocks, and between these blocks there will be 1 chain as I made here. After this 2 chain, there will be 3 blocks, and after 3 blocks you are going to make 2 chains, and after that you are going to make 3 more blocks, and when you come to the end I will show you how we are going to finish. Okay, dear friends, this round we are following this turn, making 3 blocks and making 2 chains, making 3 blocks, making 2 chains. Between these 3 blocks there will be 1 chain, 1 here, 1 here, but after 3 blocks 2, one here, one chain here. After 3 blocks there will be 2, 1 block, and then there will be 1 chain, 1 block, 1 chain. It will go on like this. After finishing 3 blocks there will be 2 chains. Okay, let's finish this round as I explained to you. I came to the end of this round. I made 3 more blocks. There is 1 chain between these blocks, but here there is 2 chains. Now when finishing making 1, 2 chains again, I am inserting my hook here on top of the first 3 chain like this, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain, and I am cutting the yarn. It's round again, but why we made 2 chains after making 3 blocks? Because on the upper row we are going to establish corners here. Here I am going to make a corner, here there is also a corner, and this one there will be also a corner, and as a result this round shape is going to turn a square. Let me show you like this. This one and this round, it is a round shape, but since I am going to establish these corner places, for this reason here, here, also here and here, in 4 places I made 2 chains, and upon this I am going to make corners as making 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's make this round. I am taking the blue yarn in my hand. This time I will start in any place that I made 2 chains. I can start here, since this place is with 2 chains. I can start here, this is also 2 chains, this one another 2 chains, and this one like this. One of these 2 chains I'm inserting my hook through the space, and I will make my start for the round 4. Okay, for the fixing I'm making this yarn over, and I'm making 1, 2, 3 chains. Upon this I'm going to make a double crochet, another double crochet, considering the first 3 chains here as double crochet 1. There are 1, 2, 3 double crochet here. This will be our first corner, dear friends, but when starting I am making only 1 block, because I will crochet all around. I will come to the place that I start, and I'm going to make 3 more double crochet and 2 chains. Like this I will complete the corner 1. I am doing this in order to give a neatly shape to the corners. I am making 1 chain, going to the space, 1 moment, like this, making 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. I'm making 1 chain, yarn over, going to the following space, here making 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, making 1 chain, going to the following space, here 1 chain, yarn over, going to this space. This space is with 2 chains. I'm inserting my hook. I will going to establish my second corner here, but I am going to make it as full corner. Only when starting we are making half corner, but later on all the others will be full corner. For this reason, first of all, I am making 1 block, I mean 3 double crochet. Like this, making 1, 2 chains, yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the same space, making 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and this is 3. Like this, full corner I made. This will be our corner 2. This is corner 1, this is corner 2. Making 1 chain, going to the following space. It is going on like this from now on, dear friends. We will repeat how we made here. First of all, we are going to make 3 double crochet here, and then we are going to make 1 chain, and we will come here. We are going to make 3 more double crochet, and then we are going to make one chain, and we will come here. Here this place is with 2 chains. For this reason we are going to establish our full corner, and this will be our corner 3. Later on we are going to come to the other 2 space in the same way how we made the other sides. We are going to here, this will be our corner 4. We are going to make our full corner also here. Later on we are making our double crochets, blocks, and coming to this space. I will show you how we are going to finish it, but from now on it is repeating the same how we made here. Okay, dear friends, let's come to the end as I explained to you. I came to the end of this round. You see, this is corner 1, this is corner 2, this is corner 3, this is corner 4, and I made the corners that I made 2 chains in the previous round. Now I am at the end. You know, we started with half corner here. For this reason, first of all, I am making 1 chain and inserting my hook in the same place that we start, and making 3 more double crochet. 1, making double crochet 2, double crochet 3, okay, making 2 chains and inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains like this, inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, okay, making 1 chain. We are finished with this color, with this round. For this reason I am cutting the yarn. This round is finished. Upon this we are going to make 1 more round, and this round will be with this main color again. From now on we are going to repeat what we did with this blue color. Let me show you shortly. Okay, inserting my hook in any corner space, any space, here, 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 you can start, no matter. First of all, I am keeping this yarn end in the back with my finger, pull through, and I'm making yarn end like this, and yarn over, pull through. Upon this, 1, 2, 3. Since this is our starting, for this reason in this corner we are making only 3 double crochet, and I'm considering this 3 chains as double crochet 1, it's been 2, inserting my hook in the same space, and it's been 3, like this. This is a half corner. When we finish we will complete this. We are making 1 chain, going to the following space, making 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and double crochet 3, like this. 1 chain, yarn over, going to the following space, making 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Like this I will come to the corner, dear friends. Yes, I am at the end of this side. I will make full corner upon this corner. I am making 1 chain firstly, inserting my hook through the space of this corner. First of all, making 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 2 chains, 1, 2, inserting my hook again in the same space, making 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and this is 3, making 1 chain, going to this space, making 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Like this it will go on in the same way. Okay, dear friends, we made a half corner when starting. We made this side. Between the blocks we made 1 chain. We made a full corner as corner 2. Between this corner making 2 chains. Okay, in the same way, coming here, making full corner, also coming here, making another full corner, And like this, coming to the end, I will show you how we are going to finish. Actually, it is the same how we finished the blue color. Okay, dear friends, first of all, let's come to the end. I came to the end of this round. Once again, I will show you how I am going to end this. First of all, I am making one chain yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the place that I start and making the second block of this first corner. You know, this is our first corner. We made half block when starting. It's been 2 double crochet. It's been 3 double crochet like this, making 2 chains. I am inserting my hook on top of these 3 chains like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch like this. I am making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. Okay, 1 square is finished. Now I am going to show you how we are going to hide these yarn ends. For the center, I will use needle because it is easier for me. Of course, you can go on hiding with small size hook, no matter. I am making pull through a few times through the same color you see. Okay, it is enough. Since this is the magic ring, I am going to make a knot in order to keep the center close, otherwise it will get large. Okay, I am inserting my hook through here in order to make a knot. I am pulling tightly, okay, and I am cutting in the end. Okay, I've hidden the yarn end for the center. Now let me show you how I am going to hide the other yarn ends. For this reason, I am going to use this small size hook. For example, let's hide this color. How I am going to do it? I am inserting my hook through these stitches. I am making pull through. I am always hiding the yarn ends in the back side. I am inserting my hook like this. Okay, taking this again, sliding it through the stitches. I am on the gray stitches again. I am sliding it by making pull through as if we are crocheting. One moment, like this. A few times we are doing this. For example, here I will make again pull through. Okay, there is a small end. I am cutting it like this. I am hiding. Once again, let me show this blue color. It is the same, dear friends. What I am doing, I am inserting my hook through the stitches, pull through, again like this, pull through. I am here on the blue stitches, making pull through the blue color. Okay, we can go on here again like this, here in the blue stitch. A few times we are doing this when there is just a small yarn end left. One moment. Okay. Now we are cutting this last yarn end. Okay. All the other yarn ends we are hiding in the same way. Yes, dear friends, this is the back side. As you see, I cleaned all the yarn ends. It is clean now. This is the front side. This square is with 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to make another square, but this one will be 4 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. When joining them to each other, we are going to make the 5th round of this one. Dear friends, for one piece of the glove, you need 2 squares. And for the other, you need 2 squares like this. Totally, there will be 4 squares, but you are going to make 2 of them with 5 rounds, 2 of them like this 4 rounds. Let me show you. This is the finished one. As you see, you need 2 squares for one piece of the glove. Since the gloves will be one pair, there will be totally 4 pieces. But when making 4 pieces of squares, you are going to make 2 pieces like this, 2 pieces like this. Okay, dear friends, let's complete your squares. Let's come to this video. I will show you how we are going to join them to each other. Meanwhile, I want to explain you something. You should put this on your hand, dear friends. The sides of the square will be in the sides of your hand like this. Here, it should come here. It should also come here. When you measure like this, if you see it is not coming here, for example, it's here like this, then you should go on one more round. I just want to explain this. Of course, if you are going to make this gloves for a child, you should measure it on the child. Maybe 1 row less than you should make. That depends on the size of the hand, but my hand is in standard size, and this is okay for me, you see. Now we are going to join these 2 parts to each other. For this reason, I am taking the small square in my hand, and I will join, and also I will crochet the last round of this square. First of all, I am fixing this, making 1, 2, 3 chains, inserting our hook in the center, making 2 more double crochet. Considering the first 3 chains, we have now 3 double crochet in this square. Now we are going to take this in our hand and we will start joining them to each other. This is the front side. I am turning it to the back side, and this is the back side of this square. The back sides will be face to face. Front side and front side will look out. The back sides will look like this face to face. You will remember we make 2 chains in the corner spaces. When joining, we are making one of this chain. We made 1 chain, taking this in our hand, and this is the back side as I explained to you, inserting my hook through this corner space. Any corner space you can start, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, making 1 chain. We made 1 chain before joining, and we made 1 more chain after joining. It's totally 2 chains. I made yarn over, coming to this corner space again, and making 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. It's been like this. When joining, we will go like this to the up. In this way, we will join these to each other, and we will also crochet the last round of this square. Now I am making 1 chain. I am going to the other square. In the following space, I am inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, yarn over, coming to the small square, inserting my hook through the following space, making 3 double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, and this is double crochet 3. Okay, now I am making 1 chain, going to the other square, inserting my hook through the following space, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, yarn over, coming to the small square, inserting my hook through the following space, making 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and 1 chain. Going to the other square, inserting our hook through the following space and making a single stitch, yarn over, inserting our hook through the following space of this small square, making 3 double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, and this is double crochet 3, making 1 chain, going to the following space of the other square, Okay, making a single stitch yarn over, coming to the space of this corner, making one block. Firstly, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, making 1 chain, going to the center of the other square, yarn over, pull through, single stitch, making 1 chain again, and completing this corner by making 3 more double crochet in the same space. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Let me show you what we did. It's been like this, dear friends. It's been like this actually. Here, this side we are going to crochet in normal way. We are not joining anything. We are just crocheting how we made in this blue one. I mean, making 1 chain, going to the following space, making 3 double crochet. This is 2, this is 3, making 1 chain again like this, and going on till the corner. As you see, I crocheted this side. I made 1 block in the corner. It's been like this. Now I am folding these 2 squares like this. This time we are going to join these 2 sides to each other, and also we are going to place for the thumb finger. I mean, we are going to make a separation for this space for the thumb. Now I am making 1 chain, folding it back to back, they are facing, inserting my hook through the following corner space of the other square, making a single stitch, making 1 chain because we are in the corner, and in the corner spaces we are making 2 chains totally, inserting our hook through this space, making 3 more double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, and this is double crochet 3. Look, it's been like this. We started to join these 2 sides to each other. Also we are going crocheting the last round of this square. Now I am making 1 chain, going to the following space of the other square, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, yarn over, coming to this space and making 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. From now on we are going to make the finger space. Since we are going to make the space for the thumb, we are not joining these 2 sides to each other, making 1 chain, going to the following space of the small square. I am not joining, I am just making 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, 1 chain, again going to the following space, not joining, just making 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. From now on I will go on joining. For this reason, first of all making 1 chain, going to the last space of the other side of the other square like this, making a single stitch, yarn over, coming to the corner, and first of all making 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1 chain, inserting my hook to the following corner, making a single stitch, 1 chain, coming to this corner, making 3 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, like this. Let me show you. It's been like this, dear friends. This is the thumb space. Let me wear for you. It's going to be like this. Of course we are going to make the ribbing at the wrist side, also around the thumb side. For now it looks like this. From now on I will crochet this side but we are not joining. I'm making one chain, inserting my hook through the following space, making a double crochet, another double crochet, the third double crochet, one chain, coming to the following space, 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, one chain, coming to the following space, making 3 more double crochet in here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Let me show you. It's been like this. This place and this place we didn't join, we joined only the sides, and we make a separation for the finger thumb. Now we will finish this side as well. I am making one chain, inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains like this, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. But I am not cutting the yarn because here we are going to make this place, this ribbing place on the wrist side. For this reason, first of all, I am making 1, 2, 3 chains. After making 3 chains, I am making yarn over. There are 3 double crochet here, considering the first 3 chains as double crochet 1. I am also considering this as double crochet 1. For this reason, I am going to the following stitch, making a double crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. Like this, on 3 double crochets, we made 3 more double crochet. Yarn over. Now we are in the place that 2 corners join to each other. Now I am inserting my hook in the space that 2 corners join to each other. Here I'm inserting my hook and making a double crochet, yarn over. Now I am coming to the other block of this corner, making 3 more double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, and this is double crochet 3. Yarn over. This space I'm inserting my hook, making a double crochet, yarn over. This place, this block, one by one I am going to make double crochets. Here making 1 double crochet, in the following making the second double crochet, and in the following stitch making another double crochet, yarn over, in the space making 1 double crochet. Yes, dear friends, like this we are coming to the corner place. Here I will show you once again the corner place. It will go on like this. Make double crochets one by one till the corner. You are going to make double crochets one by one on the block. 1, 2, 3 double crochet you are making on each block. You are making 1 double crochet in the space, 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Like this you are coming to the corner. I came to the end of this side. I am in the corner. In one of the block of the corner I am making 3 double crochet one by one on each previous double crochets. I am making double crochet 1, I'm making double crochet 2, I'm making double crochet 3. Okay, now I am in the place that 2 corner spaces join to each other. Here inserting my hook in this space and making another double crochet. Now I am going to the following block, one by one making 3 double crochets. This is double crochet 1, this is 2, this is 3. It's been like this. Now we are in the space. In the space we are making only 1 double crochet. In the blocks we are making 1 by 1 on each stitch. I mean totally 3 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Like this we are coming to the end. Let me show you. We are here. We are coming to the end by making double crochets as I showed you. I came to the end of this side as well. Here I'm making one double crochet. Now we are closing this round. For this reason, on top of the first 3 chains, I'm inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. This round is finished completely, like this. Now for the upper round, I'm making 1, 2, 3 chains. Now we are going to start for the ribbing pattern. I mean, like this. You see, there is a raised stitch. This is trench, raised stitch, this is trench, one raised, one trench, one raised, one trench. It is going on. For this reason, when you count all the double crochets, there should be an even number. It shouldn't be an odd number. I counted all the double crochets on this round. Mine is 40. If your number is, for example, 39, then I advise you to make one more double crochet in the end, because we should complete this absolutely an even number, like 40, 42, 38, like this. Mine is 40, so I can go on the second round. In my other videos many times I showed you how we are going to make this ribbing, but for the beginners and for the ones that see my video for the first time, I will also explain once again. I'm making yarn over this one. What I am doing, like this, from front to back and then back to front. After that, I am making a double crochet. Yarn over. For the following, I'm going to make a trench stitch. For this reason, I am coming from back, like this, going around this stitch and going to back again. I am in the back now, like this. And when I am in the back, I'm making pull through and making double crochet. We are making double crochets, but when inserting our hook, the place is different. Now it is turn for the raised stitch, like this. Yeah, look, we are doing like this, and after that I am making pull through and making a double crochet. Now it is time to make the trench stitch. For this reason, I am coming from back. I am in the front now and going around this stitch and going to back again, like this, and making a double crochet. Okay, now it is time to raised stitch. For this reason, I will insert my hook from front to back and then from back to front again. Okay, it is always going on like this. And for the trench stitch, this time I am coming from back to front, front to back, like this, and making a double crochet. Now it is time for the raised stitch. For this reason, from front to back and then back to front and making a double crochet. It started to take this shape, dear friends. Like this, we are completing this round. I came to the end of this round. I am at the end now. You know, we started with 3 chains when starting this round. I am inserting my hook on top of this 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. This second round is completely finished. For the round 3, making 3 chains firstly. This is raised stitch, you know, it is raised. For this reason, I'm inserting my hook and doing the raised stitch again. And this is the following stitch. This one is trench. And on the trench stitch, I am making trench stitch again. On what stitch we are doing the same. This is, for example, raised stitch. What I am doing, inserting my hook from front to back and back to front and making another raised stitch on this. And this one, this following one, this is trench, you see, and making trench again. For this reason, coming from back to front, front to back, making a trench stitch. This one, the following, raised. One stitch will be raised, one stitch will be trenched, dear friends, like this. The following, this is raised stitch coming from back to front, and I'm front. Now I'm going to the back again, making a trench stitch, this one raised, and making a raised on it. Like this, we are completing this round. This round is the round 3. We are counting like this, 1, 2, and 3. We are on the round 3. We are completing is like this. When it is trench, we are doing trench. When we are on the raised stitch, making raised, trench, raised, trench, raised. Like this, we are doing and finishing this round. Dear friends, I am calling this stitch, this one, raised, and I am calling this one trench. For this reason, this is raised, this is trench, this is raised, this is trench, this is raised. It's going on like this. I came to the end of this round like this. I will finish the round 3. I am at the end. We made 3 chains when starting, inserting my hook on top of this one, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Now we are going to make the round 4. 1, 2, 3 chains we are making, and we are making a raised stitch. This is raised stitch because from front to back, back to front, I'm inserting my hook and making a raised stitch. This one is trench. I am going to back, inserting my hook from back to front, and then go to back again and making a double crochet. And this one is a raised stitch from front to back, back to front. I am making another raised stitch on this. From now on, it's always going on like this, dear friends. We are on the round 4. It will be totally 8 rounds. Let's finish 8 rounds. Like this, we will be finished the ribbing part of the wrist side. Let me show you. It is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds. We are making this wrist side, dear friends. Let's finish, and then we are going to make the thumb places. Now I am at the end of the round 8. I am inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains, making a single stitch like this. I will cut the yarn. I will hide this in the same way how I hide the square ends. From now on, before starting the ribbing on the finger thumb, here I mean, we are going to make 3 rounds on this upper place here. You know, we made 8 rounds for the wrist place, and for this side finger place we are going to make 3 rounds ribbing in the same way how we made this one. But this one is 8 rounds. This one will be 3 rounds. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. 3 rounds we are making this one. This is wrist. This is the finger side, upper. First of all, we are fixing the yarn on any place. We are doing double crochet in the first round, exactly in the same way how we made in the wrist side. Later on in the second round we will start founding the ribbing stitch as raised stitch and trench stitch, and in the round 3 we will repeat the round 2. Like this, 3 rounds we are making it. Later on I will show you shortly how we make this space for the finger side. Okay, dear friends, first of all, if you finish the wrist side, let's make the ribbing at the finger side, upper side as well. It's been like this. This is finished. I am going to make this upper side. I crocheted the upper side of the gloves. It is exactly the same how we made the wrist part. The only difference is the wrist part is 8 rounds, and this is the upper part is just 3 rounds. But all the pattern is the same how we made this one. Now we are going to make the ribbing at the thumb finger. The pattern is actually the same also at the top, but I will show you anyhow. I'm taking my yarn in my hand, starting any place. We can start here that two squares join to each other. Like this, I'm inserting my hook. I will fix the yarn like this. Okay, and making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and I am making one by one double crochet on these double crochets. There are 3 double crochet here. I'm inserting my hook through the first stitch and making 1 double crochet, making second double crochet, and making the 3rd double crochet. Now I'm here in the space, and in the space I'm making 1 double crochet. Now I am on the block. There are 3 stitches on the block, I mean 3 double crochets, and upon these 3 double crochets, one by one, I am going to make 3 double crochet. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the first stitch, making a double crochet, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. Okay, yarn over. Now I'm in the stitch, making 1 double crochet. Like this, we are making double crochets all around this finger space. When you come here to this place, I will show you once again. Okay, I came to the end of this side. Now I am at the other side, that 2 squares join to each other. I made yarn over. I'm inserting my hook through this space. Let me show you once again, making yarn over again. Here, inserting my hook and making a double crochet. Going to the other side now. There are 3 double crochets on this and making 3 double crochets upon these. It's going on like this in the same way at the other side. Okay, making another double crochet like this. We made 1 double crochet here. That 2 squares join to each other. Later on, upon these 3 double crochets, I made 3 double crochet. And on the chain space, making 1 double crochet. Like this, we are crocheting and coming to the end. I came to the end of this side as well. When you come to the end, dear friends, I advise you to count all the double crochets. As I informed you when crocheting the wrist side, it should be even number. I crocheted my double crochets. It is 24. That means it's an even number. It shouldn't be, for example, 23, 25, dear friends, because they are odd numbers, and the ribbing pattern is suitable for the even number. For this reason, when you count the double crochets, for example, if it is 23, I advise you to make 1 more double crochet at the end, and you should complete this to an even number. Or if it is 25, you can decrease it to 24 because it should be an even number. Okay, now I am inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains and making a slip stitch. This round is completely finished like this. Now I am making 3 chains. I am considering these 3 chains as double crochet 1. Now I will found the ribbing stitch. For this reason, first of all, I am inserting my hook from front to back and coming from back to front again, and like this I am making a double crochet. I am calling this as raised stitch. Yarn over. Now I am going to make a trench stitch. For this reason, this time I am doing the opposite. I mean, I am coming from back to front. Now I am front. Now going to back again. It has been like this in the back. Now I am making a double crochet. Okay, I made a trench stitch like this. Yarn over. Now I am going to make the raised stitch. For this reason, from front to back and from back to front like this, I am making a double crochet. Now I will make the opposite. I mean, trench stitch. For this reason I am coming from back and then going around and going back again like this. I am making a trench stitch like this. Raised trench, raised trench. It's going on in this turn like this. We are going all around and coming to the end. The pattern is exactly the same. I came to the end of the second round. I'm inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains, I mean here. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. We are on the round 3. On the round 3 we are making raised stitch on the raised. For example, this is raised stitch. I will do the raised stitch on top of this one like this, okay, and this one is a trench stitch. For this reason I am going to another trench stitch on top of this one, okay. This one is raised stitch, I mean this. I am going to make a raised stitch on it, and this is trench stitch. For this reason I am going to make a new trench stitch on top of this one, okay. This last round is going on like this. When this one is raised, you are making raised. When this one is trench, you are making trench, raised stitch, trench. I mean, you are doing the same all around. You are doing raised stitch on top of the raised, you are doing trench stitch on top of the trench, and at a result it's becoming like this. Okay, dear friends, let's complete this round. Like this we are finishing the gloves. I came to the end of the round 3 as well. I am doing the same thing. I mean, I'm inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. I am hiding the yarn end in the same way how I hide when I make the squares. Okay, it is completely finished. This is another one. Now we have a beautiful fingerless gloves. Let me wear it for you. Wearing the other one. Yes, dear friends, it is really very stylish, very nice. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you loved these beautiful crochet fingerless gloves with granny squares. I really loved it. I will go on this kind of beautiful crochet projects, dear friends. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like, remarks, and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you, dear. See you in the coming videos.